This is George Kachuk with RCM Wealth Advisors reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. This morning what I'd like to do is go over the state of the current market and some of the sectors that we're looking at that there's still some possible plays in this market. Okay, currently the market's still in an uptrend. Although it's an uptrend, let's not forget we still have 4 distribution days, which are days of heavy selling, both on the NASDAQ and the S&P 500. However, on the positive side of the market as well, last Thursday, prior to the Good Friday holiday, the market's closing where the volume picked up a little bit higher. The S&P had a new closing high, and of course so did the NASDAQ have a new closing high as well. And that's really positive for the market. The S&P's been struggling with that level. S&P closed above the 1565 level, and now the S&P is probably going to jockey back and forth, looking to take out that intraday high, about 1576 that it had back in October of 2007. Right now, that's probably going to be the resistance point, and support levels, which S&P should hold the 1530 level. If we start seeing a lot of heavier volume and the S&P fall below this level, perhaps we will enter a short-term correction. However, for now, things are looking pretty positive. Also, positives in the market are that the Russell 2000, the small cap index, and the S&P small cap index is also hitting at new highs. So we have some confirmation, we have leaderships in the small cap space. Now, the previous weeks we talked about strength in the home builders. They corrected and they started to perform very well, and we see the strength in the whole building sector going forward. One of the other areas we mentioned previously was the medical sector. More specifically, let's take a look at the biotech sector. It looks like here's where the leaders are emerging at this point. You have stocks like Celgene, Biogen, IDEC, Gilead, all hitting at new highs. Smaller cap stocks, Centeris, also doing very well, hitting new highs. So in this sector, you might want to take a look at a stock that's also a good performer for this year. However, it's corrected since about December, and that stock is Regeneron, symbol is REGN. Basically, it's been trading very tightly for the last 4 weeks, right at its 50-day moving average at about $170. Last Thursday had a big volume move, took off this level, closed at about 176. This morning it's up a little bit too. So since this market's moving back and forth, you might want to try to pick up this stock somewhere between the 170 to 180 level. Closer to 170, of course, would give you a lower risk entry. And of course, if it did take out its recent high that's set in December at about 189, that could be an additional buying point. And of course, this is for the speculative, aggressive investor. You know, you might just want to sit back, see if the market corrects. But this is a correction that everyone's been waiting for a while. Hasn't happened yet. So right now, I think Regeneron can be a good play for you. Their one main drug is Eylea. It's for wet macular age-related degeneration. One other risk factor that is in this drug is that it is a 4th stage consolidation. Sometimes when stocks consolidate numerous times, gets a 4th time, this basically may become obvious to everyone in the market. However, limit your risk about 5-8% from where you buy it and see if you can pick this up at around 170. Thank you. Have a great trading day. This is George Kachuk with RCM Wealth Advisors reporting you from the CME Group trading floor. And of course, have a happy April Fool's Day.